Ever close your game, open it later, and all your settings, the volume, the high score you were proud of, and the level you finally unlocked were still there? That's data saving. That's game persistent at work. If you build games in Unity and need a simple super way to make data stay and saved after the player quits, you need to know PlayerPrefs. We will cover what it saves, example, and if it's safe to use. Let's jump in. If you find this quick Unity tip helpful, make sure to hit like button and subscribe to the channel right now. It helps me to make more videos like this. You can also support my work at Buy Me Coffee page, link in the description. Alright, so what is PlayerPrefs? It's a built-in Unity class designed to store small amount of player data and retire them between game sessions. Think of it as a simple key value storage system. You give it a unique name or a key, like a master value, and it stores the value associated with the key on the user's local machine, whether it's a PC, Android, or iOS. This is perfect for the basic things like volume setting, graphic quality preset, tracking the last level played, or maybe just a simple high score that resets the game every time you close it. Okay, so it's simple storage, but what kind of info you can save? PlayerPrefs keep things simple. It's only support 3 basic data types. 1. Strings. That's just text, like a player's name, gamer dude. 2. Floats. These are decimal numbers, perfect for volume, like 0.75. 3. Integers. Whole number, like your score, your level number, or how many coins you have. That's all. It handles all its own. It keeps things quick and easy. Let's look at how easy it is in C# code. Saving a number in one simple line. PlayerPrefs.SetInt. We call our key PlayerScore and save the number 100. To load that score later, we use PlayerPrefs.GetInt. This number 0 here is a default value. If the game can't find PlayerScore, it just uses 0 instead of breaking your game. It works the same way for the text and decimal. But how do you know if a player has ever saved the data before? You can check using PlayerPrefs.HasKey. What if you want to clear someone's progress or delete a name? We use PlayerPrefs.DeleteKey. This wipes out just one entry. And here is the most important part, the save command. When you call setInteger or setString, the changes are often held in the memory first. The game might not return the data to hard disk right away. If your game crashes before it saves, the data is gone. Calling PlayerPrefs.Save forces Unity to write all pending changes to the disk immediately. It's a safety net you should always use after making the important changes. Alright, is PlayerPrefs always the answer? No. Let's look at the good and the bad. Super simple to use, great for beginners. Unity makes it work on computers and the phone automatically. No extra download needed, it's just there. It's not secure. This is the main problem. The data is saved without any protection. Player can easily open the file and change their score. You only get the number, decimal, and text. Not for saving the big game walls or lot of items. My advice, use PlayerPrefs for safe things like volume, control setting, maybe a simple level 1 complete status. Never use it for things like you don't want a player to cheat on, like how much money they have. If this video helped you to understand how to save a simple data, please hit like button. Subscribe for more quick Unity tips and let me know in the comments what game you are building. You can also support my channel directly and help me keep making these kind of videos by buying me a coffee using the link in the description below. See you in another video.